Welcome to Arham Design Solution. In this video, I will show how to change the background of workspace and also show how to change the cursor size. So let's start. First, I will go AutoCAD icon, then press on option. Here open the option dialog box. Here we go to display and click on colors. And here we change the color, we make it white, then click on apply and close. Now the background is white. Now how to change the cursor size? We go to here cursor size and change the number of the size, we make it 50. Click apply, then press on OK. Now I see the cursor size are increased. The shortcut method, in keyboard we press on option OP and press enter, and the option dialog box are opened. Then change color and also cursor size, increase or decrease. Thanks to all to watching my video.